My child, in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often find ourselves trapped in a relentless cycle. A cycle that keeps us bound to something insidious, something powerful, something you might not even be aware of yet. It's an addiction that doesn't come in the form of a pill or a substance, but rather in the form of our own thoughts. Today we are about to embark on a journey to break free from the chains that bind us, to liberate our minds from the grip of negativity. And trust me, it's a journey worth taking. But before we dive in, I want you to ask yourself a question. How would your life change if you could finally put an end to those negative thoughts that hold you back? Stay tuned, because today I'm going to unveil the secrets to end the addiction of negative thoughts. Let's get started. Seekers of positivity, warriors of the mind, today I want to talk about something that affects each and every one of us, something that has the power to hold us captive, to shackle our potential, and to rob us of our happiness. The addiction of negative thoughts. Imagine for a moment the weight of a chain, not one made of iron, but one woven from your own doubts, fears, and insecurities. This chain, my friends, is invisible, but it's as real as any physical constraint. It's a chain that blinds your spirit, stifles your dreams, and keeps you from soaring to the heights you were born to reach. But here's the thing. This chain, unlike physical restraints, is one that you can break. You have the power to shatter it into a million pieces, to liberate your mind and to embrace the boundless potential that lies within you. Why is it so crucial to end this addiction? Because your thoughts are the architects of your destiny. Every doubt you harbor, every negative belief you cling to constructs a barrier between you and your dreams. It's like trying to sail a ship with an anchor buried deep in the sand. You can see the vast open sea, but you remain stuck in place. Now I want you to think about something. Think about the times in your life when you allowed negative thoughts to dictate your actions. Remember the opportunities you missed, the dreams left unfulfilled, and the moments of joy stolen away. Isn't it time to say enough is enough? Breaking the addiction of negative thoughts is not just about positivity. It's about reclaiming your life, about seizing control of your destiny, and about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about replacing I can't with I will. I'm not good enough with I am more than enough. And I'm afraid with I am fearless. I know it's not easy. It's a battle fought on the battleground of your mind, where the enemy is cunning and persistent. But let me tell you something about battles. They are where heroes are born. And each and every one of you has the potential for greatness within you. It starts with the decision. A decision to take control of your thoughts, to challenge those negative beliefs and to replace them with the belief in yourself. It starts with surrounding yourself with positivity, with people who uplift you, and with practices that nurture your mind and spirit. Today, I challenge you. I challenge you to make that decision. Decide that you will no longer be a prisoner of your own thoughts. Decide that you will be the master of your destiny. Decide that you will end the addiction of negative thoughts and embrace a life filled with boundless possibilities. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks, but setbacks are just setups for comebacks. Embrace the process and never forget the incredible power that resides within you. So, are you ready to break free? Are you ready to end the addiction of negative thoughts and step into the brilliance of your own potential? I believe in you, and I know that together we can make it happen. Your journey to a brighter, more positive future begins right now. Click here now to watch more and unlock the boundless wisdom of the champions. Wake up!